Tinkercad is a free 3D design program that runs right in your browser. To get started, sign in to Tinkercad.com. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. If you already use Fusion 360, you can log in with the same account. Once you log in, you'll see your user dashboard. Click the Create New Design button to start a new project. The Tinkercad workflow is all about adding and subtracting basic shapes to create more complex shapes. It's a simple concept, but very powerful. Once you get the hang of it, you can design just about anything you can imagine. Let's go ahead and add a basic shape to the workplane. Using your mouse, click the left mouse button to drag and drop a shape from the right toolbar. To move around the workplane, you can use the camera controls towards the left side of the screen. To orbit, left-click and drag the Viewcube around. You can also click on a side of the cube to quickly move to that side. To zoom in, click the plus button. To zoom out, click the minus button. You can also use keyboard and mouse shortcuts to speed up your workflow. You'll need a 3-button mouse to really take advantage of this. To zoom in and out, roll the middle mouse button, or press the plus and minus keys on your keyboard. To orbit, hold the right mouse button. Hold the middle mouse button to pan across the workplane. If you're using a trackpad, you can pan by holding down Ctrl and Shift, and then holding down the left mouse button. To focus on one area of your design, click on a shape in the workplane, and then click the Zoom Fit button, or press the letter F on your keyboard. The camera will try to zoom in to highlight just that area you selected. If you get lost or turned upside down, you can always click the home icon to reset the camera view to the default start position. Sometimes when looking at your design from the top view, shapes may appear distorted, which can make it hard to align 2 or more shapes together. To help with this problem, click the Flat View button to flatten the shapes. This is sort of like changing the camera lens to get a more flattering angle. When you're done, click again to switch back to perspective view. And that's it. Next, we'll learn how to move, resize, and rotate shapes in Tinkercad.